I don't even know how to start this video because I was rooting for this one. They came in strong. And then they sent me 2 other boxes and it was all downhill from there. Let's go. Y'all know how much I love my boxes, my subscription boxes, my BoxyCharm, my Ipsy, and how hype I was when there was that Pure Less box, that Pure Less collab with American Influencer. I was like, girl, that stuff is so good. My skin loves it. I still use like this stuff to this day, this watermelon spray. I finished the face wash. Oh man, so good. So I signed up. And unlike BoxyCharm and Ipsy, American Influencer doesn't announce their box until after the fact. After they charge you on top of that. Y'all need to work on your PR because I'm upset. I'm upset. So this was the box for November, December. No, October, November. Yes, October, November. This was the box. So this was the collab. It was with Lala Beauty, which I've never heard of before. And it was basically like eyeshadow palette, lip products, and like a face mask. So there's a face mask they sent. It says American Influencer on it. The eyeshadow palette kind of look like your basic stock palette. It's pretty decent size, but the color story just bored me. It's boring. It's caca browns. I mean, if you're into neutrals, you probably would have been happy with that. That was a disappointment. Oh, I was like, oh, I wanted to unbox this for you guys, but I don't even want to use nothing in here. So I'm probably giving this box away. You know what? Let me not say probably. I'm going to give this box away to somebody. And then there was 4 lip products. Give them Lala Beauty. Okay, what are you? It's a lip quencher in wet. I guess this is a gloss. It's like a pink. I don't know. Not interested. Then there is the, it doesn't even say, Hydro Gloss and Tripping. It seems to be like a nude. Really not interested in that either. I mean, the packaging's kind of cute. It's got the marble top and stuff. I'm just like so disappointed by this box. I don't even want to look at it anymore. And we have another Hydro Matte Lip and a Cushion Cream Lipstick. The Hydro Matte Lip is in I Love You. I don't like these names. It's a bright ass red with like blue undertones, like an orangey kind of red. Not interested. I just feel like they charged me like boxy premium prices for some garbage I didn't want. And then this is the other lip. I mean, I know somebody would be happy with this lip and eyeshadow palette. So yeah, I'm gonna be giving this away. If you're interested in entering that giveaway, I'll announce what you need to do at the end of the video for that box. Okay. Because I want this shit out of my house, out of my sight, out of my mind. This shit been sitting here. I'm not gonna use it, so one of y'all can get some use out of it. Oh God, my burps taste like spicy pickles. Now this was the December-January box. I'm gonna lose my shit, American Influencer. If you charge me again and you send me some shit like this, I'm gonna lose my shit. This was like a hair care box. I mean, if you know me, if you don't know me, I only use natural hair care products. That's how I've gotten my hair to grow so long and healthy. I don't use a lot of, I don't like to switch up my hair care routine. I've never heard of this brand before. This is Trust. So they sent a shampoo, gel cream, daily protector. I mean, they're pretty decent sizes, but I'm not interested. And a night spa serum. Like a hair serum? That's weird. I don't know. I'm not chain. And a conditioner. And then there's also a deluxe prime hair reconstructor to be used after shampoo. I don't use stuff like this. And then the only thing I probably would keep is this hair detangler. But I'm obsessed with the It's a 10 silk hair detangler because it's the only thing that gets my hair not to break brushes and not up. So I just think this was like really stupid on their part. The fact that they don't announce the boxes, they don't give you a chance to like cancel or skip a month if you want to. And I really don't like that about this. Like, they got one more shot with me or I'm canceling this shit, period. And then it's both of them to assume that people want this. Like, I don't want hair care stuff, like this much hair care stuff. Like, I doubt this is gonna work for every hair care type. And is this, it doesn't say nothing about being paraben or sulfate free. First ingredient on there, still actually second, sodium lauryl sulfate. I'm not putting this in my hair. So this was a waste of $30. I'm sorry to be so negative in this video, but like this really pissed me off. I don't really recommend you use sulfates and stuff in your hair or whatever. I'm gonna be giving this away to somebody. I don't know if I'm gonna be sending this in the giveaway though, because this is kind of heavy and it's gonna be expensive to ship. But I guess if you're in America, I'll send it to you, whatever. I don't want this shit. So yeah, if you want to enter the giveaway for either box, the makeup Lala Beauty, or this Trust hair care, like this video, leave a comment down below, follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put my Instagram right here, and like, comment, share that post, tag 3 friends. If you want a bonus entry, then share the post on your Instagram stories. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Happy hunting and good luck. May the odds be ever in your favor. I'm gonna close the giveaway a week from this video being posted, so share.